If you've seen my buffalo chicken biscuit bombs, they are so delicious and quite easy. I have another version of those that are meatball sub biscuit bombs, and they are, I'm gonna hazard a guess to say, even easier than the others. So it starts out with one of those packages of biscuits, and make sure you get the big kind, the grands. And then you just wanna kind of flatten them out. You can use a rolling pin or just use your fingers, but you wanna give as much circumference as you can because you're gonna fill them up. I have a skillet there that I've buttered. It's all ready to go. But there, you've got a nice circle of dough. I've flattened it out a little bit. And then, to make it really easy, these are frozen meatballs. I've let them sit out and thaw a little bit. I'm gonna put probably two or three, however many you want. But then I'm also gonna do a little bit of marinara. Choose some good marinara that you really, really like. Tablespoonful. And then a little bit of cheese goes in the middle of these. You could use, this is mozzarella, but you could use provolone, you could use any kind of cheese that you really like. And then just like the buffalo chicken biscuit bombs, you just kind of work your way around and close it all up. And it's all right if it gets a little messy, it's all gonna come together anyway. And then once it's closed, seam side down goes in your skillet that you've buttered. If you don't have a skillet like this, you can use a baking dish to do these, but these make 8 biscuits, and I'm going to proceed and do all the rest of them. There, I've assembled them all, they're all done. And then I'm going to take my marinara and just spoon a little bit over each of these biscuit bombs, and it's going to kind of ooze and work its way into all those nooks and crannies as this all bakes up, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. And then we need some mozzarella over the top. All right, this goes into my 425 oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, honey, these are kind of like those buffalo chicken biscuit bombs that I made, but these are meatball sub biscuit bombs.
Sounds good.
And they are piping hot, so be careful, but I'm gonna scoop one out for you. Ooh, look at that. Cheese pull. And if you would like, here's a little extra marinara for dipping.
Very nice.
So you'll have to let me know what you think. Mr. Taylor here is the CTO of Taylor Kitchen, the
Yes.
Chief Tasting Officer. He likes his job very much,
I
most of
really
the time. If it's not too hot, you might just want to pull it with your fingers.
Yeah.
But it's super hot.
It's very steamy.
Steamy, steamy. Ooh.
That's good.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think it's a winner. Check out the recipe. It's on taylorkitchen.net.
See you there.